Hey everyone, this is One-Eyed Willie again. Just got back from mid-Ohio and I thought I would go ahead and show you one of the things I did to keep the oil temperature down. This is what it normally looks like when it's sitting around. I dropped it about an inch and a half during the winter. But let me show you what I got under the hood to keep the oil temps down. So here's the filter relocation unit from Perma-Cool. I'll put a link in the description. And let's go ahead and get this jacked up. That's the unit that goes where the oil filter originally is at on the LT1 second gen. And I've got it routed. It actually comes up through there under everything. And then it comes up through here. Up there, it's where it comes in, goes to this little cooler. This cooler has 1/2 inch NPT in and out. I wanted to make sure that I didn't reduce the amount of flow and then increase pressure. So it was kind of a pain in the butt to find one that was cheap, but that's a 1/2 inch. I got this from Speedway Motors, 1/2 inch NPT thread in and out. Now, if you still have your headlights, you're not going to be able to mount it where I did. So you may have to run your lines back through here. Okay. Back this way, and then put some kind of cooler or something back here, and then go back. So it comes from the original filter location and pipes up through here, up into the cooler, then to where this is at. This is the only place I could think of to bolt it because that's steel. And then it goes back to where it's at. Now if you obviously have headlights, which most people do, you're going to have to find somewhere else to put it. You probably have to put it back where the spare tire was. So that's about all you got to do to install it. It did help me tremendously on the track. I was seeing temps consistently around 296 degrees when I was on track. And now that I've added that, I haven't seen anything over 225, which is really awesome. So if you track a car a lot, I really recommend it if you can find a place to mount everything. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and God bless.